Okay, kusatia the two character no nu yo Gio. Nu yo itu character Shappo te Shodaj munji later on. Biate la ua iku trio mo Shappo Shodaj thiab PG. Tashi later on la yo ni tunzi. Tashi la yo munji Gio. Kono ni yo itu ne mo tu da tashi. Long story short, Fujisara revealed a lot of stuff because the new the himo tu te ni yo itu character kusatia. That's amazing character. That she with other characters Kujisto sa reveal the Kujisa all story poor. Cause the Sarachiro Tokura Chamonto ya there. So I have to explain all that too. To be continued.